Hello folks, today I wanted to share with you, actually we're doing some excavating here, getting ready to dig us a basement. And we got the guy out here, and well, what we use over in this part of the country is high lifts, and this is what he's using here. I know other posts use Track-hoes and whatnot, but they use high lifts. Now if you can see this is all being done by actually by satellite, so they get the right elevations. They can get this just perfect, unlike the old days when I first started, which is the old fellow on here that I know personally. He used to do it the old way with a side level. Isn't that cool? But then you look over here, you can see right in here, I'll see if I can walk over there to it, and you can see that their transit level that they're using. Let me get into that a little bit. See that right there? And that test working with his high lift. Anyway folks, this is what it looks like. Isn't that cool? Hey, thanks for watching our videos. Hit like, subscribe. You can see how this is all being done, and hey, share with your friends. They'd love to see this stuff too, and like all us big boys, big kids, we just love seeing this stuff done. And this guy's one of the best. So anyway, thanks for watching our videos, folks. Hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends. God bless y'all.